Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to fix Face ID and passcode not in settings. So if you want to access Face ID and passcode on your iPhone with Face ID, and then you discover that the Face ID and passcode is missing on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix Face ID and passcode not in settings on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to screen time. Then go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected screen time, you want to scroll down the page until you get to content and privacy restrictions. Then click on that. Once you selected content and privacy restrictions, you need to scroll down the page until you get to allow changes to and locate passcode and Face ID. Then if passcode and Face ID is set to don't allow, then you'll not be able to see the passcode and Face ID or Face ID and passcode on your iPhone settings. So go ahead and click on that now. Then set this to allow. Once you set that to allow, hit the back button and hit the back button again, exit the screen time page. Now, you want to wait for a couple of seconds or close the settings page on your iPhone, then go ahead and reopen it again. Then you want to scroll down until you get to where you see Face ID and then passcode. Now the Face ID and passcode will reappear again on your iPhone settings. So that is basically how to fix Face ID and passcode not in settings on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.